Hindi na malayan ang layo na ng kahapon. Taon na nga ba o buwan?
Bigat ng bawat araw, dahan-dahang nawala. Kaan ng bawat bukas, kinasasabikan.
Mahirap magtiwala, tapos ng lahat ng pinagdaanan natin. Sa piling ng iba, di makapaniwala na pwede pa palang magkahanapan. Mga pusong sugatan,
imposible maraw, minsan lang magtugma. Buwan bituin ang araw, tila pagpinta.
ating tadhana, para bang tinakda, araw, oras, pagbuhan. Alam na nating dalawa,
Mahirap magtiwala,
tapos ng lahat
ng pinagdaanan natin.
sa piling ng iba,
Di makapaniwala,
di makapaniwala
na pwede pa pala magkahanapan.
mga pusong sugatan. Mahirap magtiwala, tapos ng lahat ng pinagdaanan natin. Sa piling ng iba, di makapaniwala.
Di makapaniwala,
Ang swerte ko pala nang magkahanapan. Mga pusong sugatan, mga pusong sugatan, mga pusong sugatan.
Sponge Cola. Kamikaze!
Kung
hanggang kailan ito matitigil.
Ika'y biglang natauhan. Kamikaze!
Ika'y biglang natauhan, umalis ka agad nang hindi nagpapaalam. Ang sabi ko, hindi kita mamimiss, hanggang kailan ito matitigil. Ngayon ko lang natutunan, masubukang mabuhay ng para bang may kulang. Pag nawala doon lang mamimiss, paalam sa halik mamatamis.
Wow! Napakagaling Sponge Colan Kamikaze together with Mr. Gian Magdanal and Mr. Ogie Alcacid. Please
can
join
we
us
have-
here.
Yes, Jay
Right
and
here.
Yael.
Yael Uzon is here with us, Sponge Cola.
Jay.
Alright.
Jay!
Wow!
Hello.
Galing, ang galing, galing. Rock on. Galing.
Hello po. Kaya marami kayong mga
Hello.
shows, di ba?
Oo. Ang galing ng mga performance ninyo. We'd like to ask you, ano bang meron? Anong bago sa inyo ngayon? Ito ba yun?
Kami pong Kamikaze, meron po kaming bagong album, Romantico on the Universal. Sana po bumili kayo, napakamura lang. Maraming kanta, panay kanta namin. Tapos sana huwag kayong bibili ng pirated. Ang bumili ng pirated, sana may mangyaring masama agad. Tapos sana manood kayo ng mga tugtog namin. May mga tugtog kami, mababilis lang to. Bukas sa 70s Bistro, 26 Cowboy Grill, Quezon Ave, 27 Bataan, 28 Amoranto, tsaka sa Baliwag, 30 Dagupan, May 4 Calbayog, May 5 Tacloban.
Ang dami.
Sponge Cola.
Mr. Yael, please.
Kami naman, April 28 will be in CSI Mall, Dagupan. Tapos May 4 and 5 will be representing the Philippines sa Beale Street Music Festival in
Wow.
Memphis, Tennessee. Tapos May 18 sa Chick Boy Banawe.
Chick Boy Banawe. Ayun. June 7, meron pa, di ba?
Yeah, June 7 will be in Hiltonia Beach Club, Abu Dhabi.
In Abu Dhabi.
And yeah, so
We'll
yeah.
invite them to buy your album.
Oh yeah, this is our album. It's called Araw Oras Tagpuan, and the song we played kanina is called Araw Oras Tagpuan. Available in all record bars and online. Yeah.
Thank you very much, guys. Jay and
Thank you,
Yael,
Kamikaze and Sponge Cola.
Now, I'm sure that you guys had a great time jamming with these guys, but it doesn't end there. We actually have something else that all of you guys can jam with. We have the wonderful Miss Lou Bonavie here. Hello, welcome to the program.
Happy Earth
Hello,
Day,
Magyo Jam.
Lou.
Hello.
Yes,
Yeah,
of
happy
course.
Earth Day, everybody. Today is the Worldwide Earth Day celebration.
That is right.
So, syempre, nandito na naman po ako sa Party T, only to plug and invite everyone sa inyo pong lahat for Earth Day Jam. That
12
happens
years.
only once a year.
12 years, right?
you-
12 years na.
You know, Casey was actually with me in a couple of years. Yung sila pa ni Geneva noon. Anyway.
Ay.
Earth Day Jam po is happening this Saturday already, 28 from 6 p.m. to 12 midnight. And we have 14 bands and performers joining me from rock to reggae to samba to acoustic. Nandiyan po lahat. And sana po pumunta kayo dahil first time po namin sa Bonnie High Street. Doon po yan sa Bonifacio Global City, Taguig. Pwede po kayong bumaba sa Market and then walk. Huwag na magdala ng sasakyan, diba?
Yep.
Oh, you go with your friends, with your families, and you can go there, okay? So anyway, all you have to do is search Earth Day Jam 2012 sa
Correct,
Facebook para alam niyo kung sino ang mga nandoon. Marami po kami. Kasama ako doon.
You can also
Thank you.
call 897-6691 for more information.
6991.
66.
Yes, so let's all support Earth Day. Let's do our part, di ba?
Yes, you
Yes.
jam
Ito.
and you learn something.
Yes.
That
Saturday.
is right. Okay, everybody.
Bonnie High.
Don't
Thank
forget
you.
next week, supportan natin yan, di ba? Earth Day Jam 2012. Thank you so much, Miss Lou.
All right,
you.
next week, everybody, Party Pilipinas.
Yum,
Yum.
And thank you to all the people na nag-tweet sa atin. Brian Torres, Bernadette Torres,
Hi,
Brian
Christina
Tuazon
Bonita.
29, Pia Magalona, Eileen Lota.
To pretend that you didn't notice me. Every look will make it hard to breathe. RX. Bring the boys out. Yeah. You know. Bring the boys out. We bring the boys bring the boys out. 100%